Good morning, dear students. How are you? Dear students, today we are going to start with a new lesson, and the lesson's name is Sunil and Anil Learn a Lesson. This lesson is about the twins. Now, what we are going to learn in this lesson? Students, it's always to maintain the good habits. So, sharing is a good habit. We can share our things, our work, and our ideas. Yeah, you might be also having some of your siblings or your friends with whom you want to share the things. So, you know that sharing brings one kind of belongingness to you, one kind of like some unitedness with a person. So that's why sharing develops a good habit in you. If you're having a pencil and one of your friends require a pencil, you will say, "No, I will not give you." Is this a right thing? No. You should always share your things with your friends. Now, dear students, see, even when you are playing, sharing is caring there as well. Because when you share your things with someone, then you can make good friends. See, if you are sharing your rights with them, you are sharing your things with them, your belongings with them, then you can make good friends. Not only this, see, this is just a cartoon movie characters and how they are friends with each other. So in this picture, the boy is sharing an umbrella with the dog, right? So what is this? Sharing is caring. Do remember that. Even when you are there in a family, you have to share your things with your siblings, right? With your brother, with your sister. You don't have to say, "This is mine, I will keep it." No, that is wrong. So, dear students, in this chapter, we are going to learn about some new words. Let's go through that new words. Wagon. What do you understand by a wagon? But a wagon is a vehicle with 4 wheels used for carrying the things. कोई एक ऐसा व्हीकल होता है जिसके 4 wheels होते हैं और जिसमें हम लोग यहाँ पर अपनी थिंग्स को कैरी करते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. दैट वी कॉल एज वैगन. Arguing. But what do you understand by arguing? You keep on arguing with your brother, with your younger brother. This means keep on fighting angrily, speaking angrily to them. Angrily means gusse mein you speak with them. Scattered. See, when you are there in your playroom now, everywhere the toys are scattered. Scattered means thrown in different directions. The things are thrown in different directions. Yarn. Yarn means wool here, right? Your mama like knits the sweater with the wool now. So that is a wool. So wool comes in a yarn. Next, mess. What do you understand by mess? When you have thrown the things here and there is mess in the room. Room is untidy. Room is dirty. So this is a mess. Now, dear students, let's begin with our story. The story is about 2 boys. One is Anil and the other is Sunil. And they are twins. Do you know who are known as twins? Yes. One born at the same birth. When 2 kids are born at same time, they share the same birthday, they share the same parents, they share the same time. We call them twins. So let's start with our story here. Sunil and Anil were twins. You know now who are the twins now? They shared everything. ये लोग बहुत अच्छे friendly रहते थे. They shared everything with each other, right? They shared the same birthday. They shared the same bedroom. They shared the same friends. So बच्चे आप लोगों को पता है ये जो सुनील और अनिल थे, they used to stay in the same house. इनके parents भी same थे because they were twins. They had the same birth date. They have a same bedroom also. इनका bedroom भी same था and even all their friends were same. But you just see to it, they both played for a same football team. When in school, they played for the same football team and both the boys shared all the same toys. और ये इनके जो भी toys थे वो भी ये share करते थे. Now, dear students, one Saturday, you know what happened? Sunil and Anil went outside to play with the red toy wagon. They had a red toy wagon, and you know it very well. What do you understand by a wagon? A vehicle with 4 wheels for carrying the things. So, but these twins, they loved the toy wagon a lot. Now they are going to fight over it. They are not going to share. Let's see what is going to happen. I want to give my stuffed toys a ride, said Sunil. And I want to collect the rocks, said Anil. See what is happening? Both Anil and Sunil are fighting. Sunil says he wants to give his stuffed toy a ride. Do you know what is a stuffed toy? Stuff का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ के अंदर कुछ अगर डाला हो. A toy that is containing some cloth inside, some cotton stuffed inside, or some polyfill inside. So it becomes very soft. So stuffed toy a ride. Sunil wants to give his stuffed toy a ride. But Anil said, no, I want to collect my rocks. Right? So because of this fight, they started arguing with each other. They started fighting with each other. Because both of them want to keep different things in the wagon. सुनील वैगन के अंदर क्या रखना चाह रहा था? वैगन के अंदर सुनील wanted to keep a stuffed toy, whereas Anil wanted to collect the rocks, right? So that's why they had a good fight here. So dear students, what happened? Both the twins wanted to do different things with the same wagon. आपको पता है ये सुनील wanted to keep the stuffed toy in the wagon, और जो हमारा अनिल था, he wanted to put some pebbles into it, some rocks into it. वो वैगन के अंदर rocks को collect करना चाहता था. When they were fighting, they were arguing with each other. Mother heard the boys arguing and came outside. I told you, what is arguing? Fighting, right? So you boys must share the wagon, said mother. Mother ने क्या बोला? You boys must share the wagon. आपको वैगन को शेयर करना चाहिए. Mother told Sunil and Anil to take turns with the wagon. So mother to resolve the fight. Mother तो उनकी fight को resolve करना चाहती थी. And mother wanted to develop the habit of sharing and caring. So mother told Sunil and Anil to take turns with the wagon. हमें अपनी turn लेनी चाहिए. पहली turn सुनील की, and after Sunil, Anil is going to take a turn with the wagon. So mother told Sunil and Anil to take turns with the wagon, and the twins did not want to share the wagon. But you know what happened? Mother told them to take the turns, but they did not want to share the wagon because they were liking it, right? So next part of a story, we would be doing it later on. Thank you. Read this section very properly.